So I don't know how many of y'all just watch this and think that I just kind of get on here and talk and do stuff. But YouTube is really hard, and I appreciate it. Means the world to me. Each of you that are viewing it and watching it, and all of you that have subscribed, that got me to where I am. Because it's a lot of work. Like, I'm watching a video from vidIQ, a guy I like, alright? A crew that I like. And just look, this is what they say that I do. That I do. That I have to go through.
A lot of work. Just look at some of the jobs you need to be doing to be creating content on YouTube. You've got to do all that and do it well to stand out from your competition. And trying to master all of these things isn't even the hardest part of it. It's finding the time to do it. Most creators...
You see, I have to make the videos, but I have to market it to you to make you want to watch it. I have to be a producer. I have to figure out how to produce all of this, get the stuff I need, get the equipment, and everything else. I have to video it. Alright? Make it look good, make it look pretty. I have other people sometimes behind the camera, but, you know, a lot of times I have to figure out the angles that I want to do for my channel, the things that I want going on. I have to edit it. You know, take each clip, cut parts out that I don't like, slap in other pieces, make it look funny, make it look cute and all that. I have to analyze my own stuff, watch my videos over and over and over again to figure out what the heck is going on. I have to own all of this Darth Fishmas stuff and maintain it under my name, my right. Because there's not just YouTube, there's TikTok, there's Instagram, there's Facebook, there's my Etsy store, there's everything else that's going on that's connected all to this YouTube. I have to be the artist to make it look nice, phenomenal. Make all of this crap behind me appeal to your eye to where it's not just like, oh, what the heck is just going on? He's just sitting there in a blank room going, bop, 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 you know. And that's part of the artistry right there. It's just, I had to make it look funny, make it look good. And as he said, I have to figure out the time to do it. You know how hard it is to get free time in everyday life when you have bills, kids, life, things going on, friends, family, and you have work. It's a normal human being, you know. I'm not like one of these big old crazy rich YouTubers, you know, that got these crazy awesome $1 million deals. I'm like the regular old YouTuber that you normally like watching, that you just sit there and chit chat with, you know. So it's hard, but I love YouTube. My main goal throughout all of this is to get that play button. Just slap it up there. You know how proud it's going to be just sitting in the background, just like, what? I did it! Oh! You know. So, please like, please subscribe. Just a click for you. Watch. I don't even care if you actually listen to it. You could just hit my video and it pops up on top of your screen saying suggested or whatever. Just click it, turn it down, lay your phone down on the table, walk away until you're done. Like she said. She's done. She says like. Subscribe. It means the world to us.
Yes.
Like that right there. I had to cut. We had to edit a little piece or something. I don't know. YouTube's hard, y'all. But I'm gonna keep on doing it. Perseverance. Pushing through. And I'm having fun. Hope y'all are having fun. Appreciate you so very much. You mean a lot. Like I said, it's just one click to like. One click to subscribe, and it means everything. The world to us.